Hello guys, this morning, this is Saturday morning. This is where I'm staying, kind of. This is my apartment, flooded everywhere this early morning by this early morning rain. This is around Akwa Ibom State, and this is Stadium Road in Oron. Can you see flood everywhere? Bike man tampering on how he maneuvers the flooding streets. Just look at the bike man there. There is flood everywhere. This is the condition of my streets. Just look at it. This is my front beach. Before it wasn't like this, but it's becoming something different as we keep having different raining seasons. The level of rain keeps increasing, and as well as the erosion and flooding keep increasing in the streets and this locality. Look at it here guys. So we're going to, this is my front, this is flood. Look at the bike man trying to maneuver.